Welcome back to a new video, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. In today's video we are taking you in today's video we will be buying food, but it's a food waste. So what that means is, when a restaurant or a cafe doesn't sell anything, instead of wasting it, they sell it for a small price, and it's good for your pocket and for the planet. So for our first stop, we are going to first place we visited is Paddington Station. There are lots of shops, so we thought we'll start from here, and also to see the Paddington Bear, which is situated of course here, so you can visit as well, take some pictures. And yeah, the first shop we had was Riazza, but it got cancelled, so do expect that on the day, if they don't have anything, they do cancel it. The first place we're visiting, thank you. And this is the bag. It has 1, 2, 3, and this only for £4. So as you can see, one item over here is like £6. So a bargain, especially in London where it is so expensive. Hopefully this video will help you save you some money if you are a worker who finishes late. So you can just reserve it on the day or the day before, and you can collect it and enjoy your food. So we are going to do the same. Let's go. Basically, yeah, the weather was so good 2 days ago when we were working, and now is the weekend. You can see it's so dull, it's so annoying, and apparently it's gonna rain later. So let's eat this quickly. Let me show you. So we got one nice sandwich, looks like a sausage sandwich. We got a roll, and he's made it hot as well, so bacon roll I think, which is nice. If we are not going to finish some of it, we will be giving it to homeless if we find them. There are people normally around, so that's bacon roll basically. Go away, you. He wants food as well, guys. Enjoying the sandwich with the view. We enjoyed our nice breakfast. We are full, well, so. But yeah, next we are going at a rooftop. It's free, so if you guys want to go as well, this is in Holborn. Let me show you. By the way, we are in London, so make sure to hold on to your phone. Yeah. Welcome to roof terrace, guys. Literally you can see all of London. That's the BT Tower. Oh, welcome, guys. The weather is a bit foggy, but as I said, the weather is playing up. We can never find a good weather in London. Never mind, it's still clear. It's not raining, it's supposed to, so hopefully we'll just explore quickly and then move. Have some nice coffee. Actually, I'm gonna have some nice coffee or chai. All right, let's go. Enjoy the view. I've got my selfie stick. Cherry blossoms blooming. It's not fully bloomed yet. They're a bit early, I guess, but it does look nice. Look at the view, guys, and it is free of charge. So get yourself here. You know, save you some money. Enjoy the view of London. So guys, you can see, like, literally you can see everything from here. That's the London Eye there for you. Then we move up here. There's a shard there for you. And then that's the Sky Garden. Maybe they're watching us from there. And the St. Paul's Cathedral is there as well. And yeah, basically the whole of London, guys. You can see. And it's free of charge, so why not visit this place? And you can just relax, because look, literally there's no one here. I mean, there's one person there, but yeah, so you can just sit and just relax there, enjoy the view. We'll be doing that now, so we shall see you at the next destination. See you later. Cherry blossom in London. Let me show you what we got. This is the sweet and pastry. We got nice bread. Did I say bread? There's cake. We got almond croissant. Wow. Ooh, and we got chocolate cookie, which I can have now. There's some salt on it. Get in your face. Oh my god, muffin as well. Wow. On this for only, let me check how much it was. I forgot. Only for £2.50 there. 5 items. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy this. See you at the next one. Picked up another bag. Alright guys, I am back home now. So let me show you what I got in bed. By the way, it's too misty and foggy outside. The whole day the weather was so bad. That's London for you. Anyways, we got chili chicken broth and falafel wrap and chicken shawarma. Oh, looks nice. Yeah, so that was about £4, I think, but I'm gonna put the amount there. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna try the broth first because it looks interesting. The other one I might keep it for my breakfast or lunch tomorrow because it's gonna be too much otherwise. And I did find someone sitting outside, so I've given some of the items to them so they can eat it as well. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Looks yum. The video is incomplete with my darling there. Hello, Kikri. Hi. 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 Itra. Motu. Hey, Motu. Hey, Motu. Hey, Motu. Kiki. Kiku. Kiku. Kiki. Itra. Kiki. Kiki. Alright guys, if you did enjoy the video and if I did save you some money, make sure to hit that like button. Also comment down below if you knew the app. By the way, it is not a promotion or an ad. It's just I use it, and it, of course, it saves you some money. Like, you know, when you come after work, you don't want to be cooking. It's too tiring, especially when you work full time. So if I did save you some money, comment down below. And to show your support, make sure to share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't yet, hit that I don't know if it's here or here. Hit that subscribe button to follow for more content like this. And I shall see you in the next video. Make sure to watch my other videos as well, okay? Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Quite nice actually. Mm.